Okay, here we are at the finished project at Forbes Street, Woolloomooloo. As you can see, there's our EV charging DB. We have a look inside. These are all the units. There's 30 units here in total. They're the circuits going off to the chargers. This is the incoming data, which goes to our EV charging data rack, which is all fired up, ready to go. Then out go the cables, we'll swing around. Bear with us. Out they come, data and power, and off they go. So off they go to all the car spots. These are all the car spots, some over there. And then they come out, come down to our isolators. This is unit 2728. Data to plug in, power to go to the chargers. So out it goes, around. We have an AP there for wireless Wi-Fi access. We go all the way down, and as you can see, there's more cars here, and the system continues. Now over here we had to come across conduits. There's 2 car spots in each. That one goes across here. Find a charger that we have installed, which is on, ready to go. Some more car spots. There's one. It's not on, but we'll turn it on. There we go. Ready to plug in. It's got the data for the load management. That is ready to charge, and that's pretty much it. Every car spot has an isolator or a charger connected, depending if they took the offer up. There's another wireless access point working, and that's the remainder of the cable tray, which goes back to the switchboard, and that'll do.